So you want to buy a home in South Carolina, but you don't know where to live yet. It sounds overwhelming, but here's the truth. You don't need to know everything. You just need a step-by-step plan and someone that you trust on the ground. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how out-of-state buyers successfully purchase a home near Charleston from first contact to closing, even if you have never stepped foot in the house. And I'm not just a local realtor. I offer concierge level service that starts with our very first conversation, and it keeps going long after you've got the keys. Let's break it down. Out-of-state buyers have a lot of concerns. What's the timeline? Can I make an offer without actually seeing the house? Will someone really look out for my best interests? The good news? You don't have to figure it out alone. I've helped so many families relocate from all over the country, and I stay in touch with many of them years after they've moved in, because that's how I work. I'm not just here for the transaction. I'm here to guide you through all of it. Step one is our discovery conversation. We can do this either over the phone, via Zoom, or even in person if you are in town. This is where I learn about your lifestyle, your budget, and your goals. And then we narrow it down to the areas that actually make sense for you. We'll talk about must-haves versus nice-to-haves, commute times, type of community that you're looking for, and your ideal timeline. It's all about making sure that your search starts focused, not frustrating. If you want to explore some of these areas, but you don't want to have a tour guide, I have good news for you. I provide custom maps for my clients based on this conversation, so they can explore these areas on their own without me telling them about them. They can see how they like the areas based on their own thoughts and impressions. I even give you links to MLS listings in the area so that you can look at the listing online and then from the outside on your own. Because we all know that things look much better in those listing photos than they do in real life. So this lets you see for yourself what the road and the neighboring yards look like so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. My name is Deneene. I'm a realtor here in Charleston, South Carolina and the surrounding Lowcountry. As the Southern living Yankee, I love helping people just like you buy and sell homes in the Charleston area. I specialize in helping people relocate to Charleston from out of state because I've been there and I've done it myself. I understand how exciting but still overwhelming a big move can be, but that's why I'm here, to help you every step of the way. If you're ready to make a move and you want a personalized, hands-on experience, reach out today. You can send me a text, shoot me an email, or even pick up the phone and call. Next up, financing. Not much fun, but definitely an important step that we need to take care of early in the process. If you're paying cash, we're ready to move. If not, I'll connect you with a local lender who knows how to work with out-of-state buyers and South Carolina contracts. It's really important to get pre-approved so that we can set expectations early. This lets us know the exact budget that we're working with so we don't show you a house that you fall absolutely in love with, only to find out that it's priced just a little bit higher than what you can afford. Oh, and we get you pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. So we're ready when the right house comes up. And don't worry, everything is digital. You will never need to step into a bank or fax anything like it's 1999. Now, here's where the concierge part really kicks in. Once we know what you're looking for, I preview the homes for you. If you're not in town yet, I'll walk you through the properties by video, room by room, street by street, and I will give you honest feedback that you can trust. I'll show you the things that you won't see in the listing photos, like traffic noise, weird smells, or what's across the street. And if you can come visit, I will schedule everything and make the most of your time while you're here. Okay, so you found a home you love. Now what? We'll review the local market, compare similar sales, and make a competitive but smart offer. All documents are signed electronically, and I'll explain every step so that you're never left guessing. South Carolina is a buyer beware state, so due diligence matters. And that brings us to the next step. Once your offer has been accepted, we enter the due diligence period, a window of time to inspect the home and back out for any reason if something just doesn't feel right. I'll coordinate inspections, attend them, and then send you full reports, including photos or videos for us to review together. If repairs are needed, I'll negotiate those on your behalf. My job is to protect your investment and make sure that nothing is overlooked. We also have CL 100 inspections, which check for any insect or wood rot damage because, after all, it is South Carolina. Sometimes we do have to deal with termites and always deal with humidity. Once inspections are good and your lender gives the final approval, we will move to closing. If you can't be here in person, no problem. We can do a mail-away closing and coordinate everything remotely. I will even do a final walkthrough for you. Again, this can be done virtually with you to make sure that everything is exactly as you're expecting it. And here's the part that most agents don't talk about. After closing, I'm still here. My clients text me months, even years after they've moved in, asking for recommendations, updates, or just to say hi. Seriously, I just had a client reach out to me last week to ask me for a recommendation on where to buy some chickens. I'm not kidding at all. This isn't a handoff, it's a relationship. And that's what I mean by concierge level service. So let's recap the process again because I know it's a lot of steps. 1, discovery and strategy. 2, local lender and pre-approval. 3, personalized home search. 4, virtual or in-person tours. 5, smart offers and negotiations. 6, full inspections and due diligence. 7, remote friendly closing. 8, continued support long after closing. If you're thinking about relocating, this process is built to work for you, not to stress you out. And if you haven't already, go back and watch my video on Charleston's top suburbs. It's going to help you figure out the best place to start your search based on lifestyle and budget. My name is Deneene. I'm a realtor here in Charleston, South Carolina, and the surrounding areas. As the Southern Living Yankee, I love helping people just like you buy and sell homes in the Charleston area. I specialize in helping people relocate to Charleston from out of state because I've been there and I've done it myself. I understand how exciting but still overwhelming a big move can be, but that's why I'm here, to help you every step of the way. If you're ready to make a move and you want a personalized, hands-on experience, reach out today. You can send me a text, shoot me an email, or even pick up the phone and call. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos about Charleston and the rest of the Lowcountry. Thank you so much for joining me. So long for today.